Hey guys, it's 𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗘𝗥𝗢 from Audio Direct. We got one of my favorite cars in here today, which is of course the Mark 7 Golf R. This thing on the road is an absolute monster, but the in-car entertainment, well, we fixed that right up. Check this out. So here we go. This is the Mark 7 Golf R stereo. Apart from the speed of the unit, you can see of course all steering controls being volume and seek of course operate perfectly. You can see from the speed of the unit, absolutely flawless. It's very hard to even gauge the quality on here, but wireless Apple CarPlay, look at the resolution, no lag whatsoever. With the VW logo, you've got Spotify, it comes up loading all your favorite music instantly. Again, volume coming up and down, no issues whatsoever. All the familiar icons, WhatsApp, Google Maps, lightning quick responsive, plug and play, no wire cutting, no issues whatsoever. And voice calling, mic quality, again we check it against 2-3 phones before we hand it back to the customer, so always looking and sounding good when you get the job done from us. When you press VW, goes to the main logo, and you can see applications. I mean, we can't go through all the applications, there's just so many, and you can actually configure lots in this vehicle, even against the screen. Skid control, so on and so forth. All these options come up on the dash as well. It's incredible. This system is of course made exactly for the vehicle, so loads of options. That's your AC climate control as well, all digital, beautiful. And we show you the rear camera as well. Before, it's such a tiny screen. Look at this thing now, absolutely magnificent. Really impressive piece of kit. The VW Mark 7 plug and play Android stereo.